Your tiller model Mercury Avator 7.5e outboard features a handy quick-release mounting system that lets you easily remove or install the outboard on your boat. It's comprised of two brackets that mate together. The clamp bracket remains attached to the boat's transom and features a quick-release receiver. The swivel bracket is connected to the outboard drive. It has a strong probe that locks into the quick-release receiver. To remove the outboard, first remove the battery, then make sure the tiller handle is locked in the operating position or the folded up position. To change its position, unlock the tiller lock release lever. Rotate the tiller handle to the desired position and then return the release lever to the locked position. Now pull the quick release slide until the slide stops moving. To install the outboard on the quick release receiver, first remove the battery from the outboard. Lift the outboard above the transom bracket and align the probe with the quick release receiver. Set the outboard in place and give it a firm push to fully seat the probe into the receiver. Gently lift the outboard to verify it is locked in place. Anytime you lift your Avator 7.5e outboard, such as when you're lifting it on or off the quick release receiver, always grip it by at least two of the following positions: the tiller handle, the handhold on the upper portion of the rear cowling, just under the tiller arm assembly, or on the lower portion of the outboard at the drive extension housing. This helps to prevent damage to the outboard. Also, be sure you never lift the outboard by the battery's integrated handle when the battery is installed in the outboard. With your outboard in place on the quick release receiver, you also have the option to disable the quick disconnect mechanism. This is helpful if you want a permanent installation where portability is not required. Disabling this mechanism could also help discourage theft. To disable it, first locate the Torx screw hole on the transom bracket. Now insert and hand tighten the included Torx screw. Verify the quick disconnect mechanism is disabled by pulling the release slide and attempting to lift the outboard. That's all there is to it. The quick release bracket is simple to use and allows you to remove the outboard for transport or install it quickly when it's time to hit the water. Another convenient Avator feature that makes boating even easier.